Hey there! Welcome to Make Life Easier with AI. If you've heard of ChatGPT but aren't totally sure how it can actually help in your day-to-day life, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm sharing 5 surprisingly useful and super practical ways to use ChatGPT that can save you time, reduce decision fatigue, and just make things flow a little smoother. We're talking about things like planning your week, actually sticking to a grocery list, writing those emails you've been putting off, even figuring out what to make for dinner without scrolling through a million recipes. Oh, and if you've never used ChatGPT before or don't know where to start, I've linked it below. It's super easy. Just watch this video and then click the link to try out some of the prompts I'm showing you. It's free to use. Okay, let's dive in. Here's ChatGPT tip number 1. Use it to plan your week like a pro. So you know how some weeks just feel impossible? You're running from one thing to the next, feeling totally scattered, and by Wednesday you're already ready for the weekend? Yeah, I've been there. But here's the thing. ChatGPT can actually help you get way more control over your schedule. I'm not even kidding. Instead of just making a to-do list that never ends, you can actually use ChatGPT to plan out your entire week, and it'll build it around your actual life, not some idealized version of productivity. Here's how it works. You give ChatGPT your basic parameters, things like, plan my week. I work Monday to Friday 9 to 5. I want to work out 3 times, meal prep on Sunday, and spend time with family in the evenings. And boom! ChatGPT creates a full schedule for you. It does it quickly and easily, and can really save you time setting up a schedule for your week. But here's where it gets really cool. You can then go in and tweak it. Let's say you want to work out in the mornings instead of the evenings. No problem. Just type. Make the workouts in the morning and keep Sundays totally free. You could tell ChatGPT that you're more focused in the mornings than the evenings. It will shift your schedule so the more mentally challenging parts of your week are planned for earlier in the day. Or maybe you realize you need to schedule in some downtime. Easy. Just add 30-minute breaks during the day and block time for my side hustle after work. It's like having a personal assistant that builds your week around what actually matters to you. And the best part is, you can keep adjusting it as things come up. No more feeling overwhelmed or like you're constantly playing catch-up. This one feature alone has been a game changer for me. It's helped me prioritize what's important, actually stick to my goals, and feel way more in control of my time. And honestly, who wouldn't want a little more of that in their lives? ChatGPT hack number 2. Use it to build a meal plan and a smart grocery list. Okay, let's talk about food. Specifically, the struggle of figuring out what to eat every single day. If you're tired of staring into your fridge at 7 p.m. wondering what to make for dinner, this one's for you. Because ChatGPT can actually help you plan your meals for the entire week and create a grocery list that's organized by section. No more wandering aimlessly through the grocery store or buying random ingredients you'll never use. Here's how it works. Start with a prompt like, give me 5 quick budget-friendly dinner recipes that are vegetarian. Include a grocery list grouped by section. ChatGPT will then generate 5 recipes that fit your criteria, along with a complete grocery list that's already organized by category, like produce, dairy, pantry staples, etc. But here's where the magic happens. You can then customize it to your liking. Want to keep your grocery bill under control? Tell ChatGPT keep everything under $60 total. Have picky eaters in your family? No problem. Just say, remove mushrooms and tofu. I don't like them. Or maybe you want to elevate things a bit. You can tell it something like, add 1 special meal for Friday that feels like a date night. The best part? You can copy the list straight to your phone or print it out. No more random impulse buys or food waste. This is seriously one of my favorite ways to use ChatGPT. It takes all the stress out of meal planning and grocery shopping, and it's helped me eat healthier and save money without even trying. Next, ChatGPT life hack number 3. Use it to write those tricky texts or professional emails. Okay, let's be real. We've all been there. You need to send a text or an email, but you have no idea what to say or how to say it without sounding awkward or rude. Maybe you need to cancel plans, ask for a favor, or write a professional email that actually gets a response. Well, guess what? ChatGPT can be your secret weapon for writing clear, concise, and professional messages. without all the stress and second guessing. Here's how it works. Let's say you need to cancel dinner plans but don't want to sound flaky. Just type in something like, "Write a polite message to cancel dinner plans without sounding flaky." ChatGPT will then generate a message that's kind, understanding, and gets the point across without making you feel bad. But here's the cool part. You can then tweak it to sound more like you. Want to make it more casual? Just type "make it more casual." Need to sound firmer but still polite? No problem. Make this sound firmer but still polite. You can use it for work emails, customer support replies, or even writing bios or resumes. It's like having a tone editor that understands nuance. This feature has been a lifesaver for me, especially when it comes to writing emails. It helps me get my point across clearly and professionally, and it saved me from a lot of awkward interactions. Hack number 4. ChatGPT can actually act as your own personal tutor. Alright, this one's for all the students out there, or anyone who's ever wanted to learn something new but wasn't sure where to start. Whether you're struggling with a specific subject, trying to prep for an exam, or just want to learn something new for fun, ChatGPT can break down complex topics into easy-to-understand explanations. Here's how it works. Let's say you're trying to understand a tricky concept like the stock market. Just type in, "Explain how the stock market works like I'm 12." ChatGPT will then give you a clear, concise explanation that's actually easy to grasp. But it gets even better. You can then use ChatGPT to test your understanding. Just type, "Now give me a 3-question multiple-choice quiz to test my understanding." Or if you're more of a visual learner, turn that explanation into flashcards. This works for school, personal learning, or even helping your kid understand their homework without opening 12 tabs and going down a YouTube rabbit hole. It's like having a tutor on demand, available 24/7. ChatGPT tip number 5. Use it to build your own custom daily routine. Okay, let's be real. Sticking to a routine can be tough. But what if you had a daily schedule that was actually designed around your energy levels, your goals, and your lifestyle? Well, that's where ChatGPT comes in. Instead of trying to force yourself into a cookie-cutter routine that doesn't fit, you can use ChatGPT to create a custom daily schedule that's tailored to you. Here's how it works. Start with a prompt that outlines your basic needs and preferences. For example, create a daily routine for someone who wants to wake up at 7, work a 9-to-5 job, include exercise, and make time for writing in the evening. ChatGPT will then generate a sample routine that you can use as a starting point. But here's where the fun begins. You can then customize it to fit your life perfectly. Want to start your day a little slower? Try make the morning slower and add meditation before work. Need to prioritize your health and well-being? Just add, include reminders to drink water and take breaks every 90 minutes. You can even use it to schedule in things like social time, hobbies, or anything else that's important to you. It's like having a personal productivity coach in your pocket. Okay, I've got one more bonus tip for you, because who couldn't use a little help in the gift-giving department? We've all been there. It's someone's birthday and you're totally stumped on what to get them. But don't worry, ChatGPT's got your back. Instead of spending hours scrolling through online stores or brainstorming ideas that never seem quite right, you can use ChatGPT to generate personalized gift ideas that are actually thoughtful and creative. Here's how it works. Let's say you need a birthday gift for your friend who loves hiking, coffee, and music. Just type in, "Give me 5 birthday gift ideas under $50 for a 30-year-old who loves hiking, coffee, and music." ChatGPT will then give you a list of 5 gift ideas that are tailored to your friend's interests and your budget. But it gets even better. You can then refine the results to get even more creative options. Want to add a personal touch? Try include 1 DIY idea and 1 experience-based gift. Or if you want to add a little humor to the mix, now write a short funny note to go with the gift. Boom! You've got the perfect gift and a heartfelt or hilarious card to go with it. No more last-minute gift-buying stress or generic presents that end up collecting dust. So yeah, ChatGPT isn't just for tech bros or essay writers. It's actually one of the most useful everyday tools around. Whether you're planning your week, writing better messages, saving money on groceries, or just trying to stay on track. If this video gave you a few ideas, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got full playlists for students, parents, productivity, and more. All powered by AI and all easy to use. Thanks for watching. And hey, try one of those prompts today. You might be surprised how much easier things get.